Bill, what do you think about the future? Get that crystal ball out. What do you think claims are going to look like over the next 10 to 15 years? Do you think we're going to see more tech, AI, and how would that be integrated? What do you think?
So I think the insurance companies are going to use more AI to sort of read and interpret and digest and summarize things like doctor's notes, right? Where AI can look for key phrases around particularly benefit eligibility. And I think that is generally a good thing and can make it more efficient. Look, companies have to get more efficient.
Yeah.
We're going from 400,000 claims today to close to 1,000,001 in just 16 years.
Yeah.
That's a huge ramp up. So the carriers have to get efficient that way. Submitting notes, submitting documents, through a scan and a portal upload. Carriers don't really want to receive things through email because this is all HIPAA protected medical information, basically. So carriers, they want to make sure they're protecting information for their responsibility,
right,
but also want to make sure people aren't exposing themselves. And so the technology to do that is great. But one big company just announced last year that they're no longer going to accept any information or documents via fax. Either have to mail it or upload it through a portal. Well, I got to tell you, I have a lot of clients in their late 70s, 80s, and maybe it's a husband and wife. One of them's independent, but Kelly, they're just not good at that stuff.
No.
They don't have a scanner.
Right.
So I think one of the things we have to be careful of from the insurance company side is to not have technology get ahead of what our customers, our policyholders, particularly those going on claim who are older, is it technology that they can navigate, or have we complicated the process for them?
Right.
And that's one of my concerns. My biggest future view is, and this is partly my passion for the training, is we have to get better. We have to get more efficient. We have to get more consumer friendly. And I'm talking from the insurance company side, because if we don't, if we make it confrontational, if we make it difficult, if we make it too complex, and sometimes it's perception, unfortunately, when we go from 400,000 people to 1,000,000 people navigating this process, if people don't have a good experience at the time of claim, that's going to reflect poorly on the public and the value of even buying this insurance to begin with. So
Yeah.
I think managing claims well, the insurance industry has an opportunity to enhance our ability to sell and for consumers to buy this insurance.